Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this cool 1973 BMW 2002. These cars are really popular because they drive great, they're simple, and they're comfortable. So this one is what they call a roundy because it has the round rear tail lights. These are considered the more desirable ones because they have the small bumpers and the small tail lights. This car mechanically is really strong. I've been driving it for a couple days. It's comfortable, the heat works, the wipers work. It's paint challenged though, that's for sure. There's some clear coats coming off. Some of the bumpers need to be re-chromed. But it's really a very solid, very satisfying car to drive. A lot of photos online underneath and more detail than I can do with a camera, but it's clean. But it's got the roof here. The molding needs to be refitted. Interior is pretty good. It has the typical cracked dash, which is typical of these cars. It has seat covers on. Rear seats look brand new, as the carpets do. Headliner looks original and in good shape. But the best thing about this car is the way it drives. It drives really well. Engine compartment's very clean. This car mechanically is really good. As looks like brand new plugs and wires and cap. New bits and pieces. And like I said, I've been driving it for 3 days now because my other car is getting work done. It fires right up in the morning, and it's been 35, 40 degrees here lately. And no puddles. Like I said, the heat works, the defrost works, the fan works, the wipers work. So the engine synchros are good. I mean the tranny synchro, excuse me. A little slop in the shift that new bushings would fix. But overall, super nice car. Drives out really well. It has almost brand new tires on it. It stops straight. It's exempt from California smog, which is nice. You can see it shifts. Well, I'm doing it with one hand. But it shifts nicely. The linkage you could use some new bushings in the link, which would take some of that, probably take all that slop out. It's quite typical, but it shifts really quite nice. It goes down the road straight. Gauges all work. I'm going to turn around down here. Turn signals work. Stops nice and straight. Radio works. It's Bluetooth enabled. So turn the fan on. I don't know if you can hear that, but the fan works, the heat works, the defrost works. The clutch is, it feels like the clutch is brand new. So radio works. I'm going to turn it down. So it shows 22,000 miles. That's the odometer reading. We're not saying that's the original miles, obviously. It's probably 122. Seems to me the motor's definitely been rebuilt. There's a very steep hill that I go up every day on my way home. It's about a 600-foot climb. This thing has good compression, I know, because if it doesn't have good compression, you won't make it up. So we're going to turn in here. Super little car. So okay, I'll put it in reverse. It's just over and up. Easy car to drive. Motor is super smooth. Really quite impressive. So let's review. It's a 1973 clean California title, smog exempt, mechanically very good, could use a paint job, a little TLC, but I tell you what, I've been using it as a daily driver and it is excellent. I'm gonna try the moonroof. I haven't tried it, hopefully it won't get stuck. Nope, it works. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you very much.